The video is created based on the general understanding of the principles. Please consult your financial advisor or bank for further advice. Do you know that you lose money if you do not have certain amount in your saving (SB) account? If you have 1000 rupees, you will not get any interest at the current rate of interest. Even if you have 10,000 rupees, you will not get any interest at the current rate of interest. So now the question is, what is the minimum amount you should have in saving account that will earn interest? To find out the answer, we need to know two things. Number 1. According to the guidelines rolled out by the Reserve Bank of India in 2010, the interest on savings account is calculated on daily outstanding balance. It means that you earn interest on the bank balance you have at the end of each day. The formula is interest on savings account is equal to daily balance into rate of interest into number of days divided by 365. Number 2. According to the SBI Savings Bank account rules, interest will be calculated on a daily product basis. Interest will be credited to the account at quarterly intervals. Interest will be paid only if it works out to ₹1 or more. Thereafter, 50 paise and more will be rounded off to the next higher rupee and anything less will be ignored. Example 1. Let us calculate the daily interest for 1000 rupees using the formula and considering the latest interest rate of 2.7% per annum. Interest for 1 day is equal to 1000 rupees into 2.7 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 365 is equal to 0.0739 rupees. This interest is less than ₹1, so it will be ignored and it will not be credited to the savings account. Hence, you will lose interest for the entire year. Example 2. As per the formula, the daily interest earned for 10,000 rupees is 0.739 rupees, which is also less than 1 rupee. This will be ignored and you will lose interest money for the entire year. So how much money you require to keep in saving account to earn daily interest at current rate of 2.7%? The answer is 13,519 rupees. For 13,519 rupees, the daily interest is 13,519 rupees into 2.7 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 365 is equal to 1 rupee. As this interest is equal to 1 rupee, it will be credited to your account daily. It will be credited to your account at the end of the quarter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share with others. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.